Today we're going to make sweet and tangy sloppy joes. This is actually a recipe that my brother found or it was given to him whenever he was in high school in Louisiana. And we call it Harrison's favorite sloppy joes. Welcome to Southern Glance with Gail. Hi, I'm Gail. Thanks for watching. And today, like I said, we're going to be making sloppy joes that's sweet and tangy and delicious. We're going to put it on a toasted bun. And so if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you can be notified whenever other videos are out. Come on in and we're going to start cooking. Okay, we have hamburger in our skillet. We're going to turn it on medium high or just a little bit above medium. And we're going to brown this hamburger. I did not put any oil in the hamburger, and the hamburger is 85% lean and 15% the other one. So we're just going to use a potato masher, and we're going to just kind of mash the hamburger down, and we're going to continue using this. And so we're just going to let it brown, and we're going to kind of forget about it just for a little bit. Okay. Okay, the hamburger is browning pretty nicely. We have not turned it or anything, but I'm just going to kind of use this potato masher, and we're going to kind of mash the meat. And we're going to keep on letting it go. Okay, the hamburger is not quite done, but I am going to drain it right now because then I'm going to add onions. Okay, we're going to add about a half of an onion. We're going to let that cook, and we're going to add about 1/8 of a teaspoon, 1/8 of a cup of celery. And these are already chopped. We're just going to let that cook a little bit. We're going to still use our masher. So I probably could have taken the meat out just a little bit before then. Now it looks pretty good. I'm going to let that finish cooking. Okay, I think that's about done. Now we're going to add the stuff for the sloppy joe mixture. We're going to add in 1/2 of a cup of ketchup. And I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. I'm going to turn it down so that it's a little bit, it's not quite low, but it's probably medium low. I don't want it to get too terribly hot, and it's already hot. And then after the 1/2 cup of ketchup, I'm going to add 1/4 of a cup of water and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And I'm going to just kind of stir that in. Then I'm going to add in 1/2 tablespoon of packed brown sugar and 1/4 of a tablespoon of salt, 1/2 of a teaspoon of vinegar, so it's not very much, and then 1/8 of a teaspoon dry mustard. I'm going to just stir all that together. And then we've got one last ingredient, and that is Worcestershire sauce. So it only takes about 1/4 of a tablespoon. I kind of get overboard with that. That's probably more like a tablespoon. And then we're just going to mix that together. Now you can, if you don't want it quite so runny, it's not very runny right now, but it's just going to have a good flavor. But it's actually done. Now you can kind of leave this on the stove. That's what we're going to do, and we're going to toast our buns. We're just going to put some hamburger buns in the toaster, and then we're ready to eat. So I'm going to actually turn that way down to low because we like the little juices in there. And then we'll be back after our buns toast. And there we have it. It is all done. Sloppy Joes, made in less than 15 minutes from start to finish. This would make a really good simple meal in about 15 minutes. Just add vegetables or salad and you've got it. So we're going to put it on our toasted hamburger buns, and that's going to be our lunch. And you can close the buns up if you want, like this, or you can leave them open face. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. And if you like this video, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so that you can be notified when more videos are coming out. We'll probably do chocolate cake next.